Engelmann spruce, Picea engelmannii, is a tall, evergreen conifer native to western North America. It is best known for forming dense forests in high-elevation mountain regions, where cold temperatures and heavy snowfall limit the growth of many other tree species. This spruce is named after the German-American botanist George Engelmann, who contributed greatly to the study of North American plants. The tree is valued for its ecological importance, timber, and role in stabilizing mountain environments. Physical characteristics. Engelmann spruce typically grows between 25 and 40 meters tall, though exceptional specimens may exceed this height. The trunk is straight and slender, often covered with thin, grayish-brown bark that becomes scaly with age. Its crown is narrow and conical, especially in younger trees, helping it shed snow efficiently. The needles are four-sided, sharp-tipped, and usually bluish-green to silvery-green in color, giving the tree a slightly frosted appearance. Cones and reproduction. The cones of Engelmann spruce are cylindrical and relatively small, measuring about 3 to 7 centimeters long. When immature, they are reddish or purplish, turning light brown as they mature. Each cone contains numerous small winged seeds that are dispersed by wind. The tree reaches reproductive maturity slowly, often taking 20 to 40 years before producing viable seeds, which reflects its adaptation to stable but harsh mountain environments. Natural habitat and distribution. Engelmann spruce is primarily found in the Rocky Mountains and Cascade Range, extending from British Columbia and Alberta in Canada down through the western United States into Arizona and New Mexico. It thrives at elevations between 1,800 and 3,600 meters. The species prefers cool summers, long winters, and moist conditions, often growing alongside subalpine fir and lodgepole pine in high-altitude forests. Soil and climate requirements. This spruce grows best in deep, well-drained soils with adequate moisture, though it can tolerate rocky or shallow soils commonly found on mountain slopes. It favors slightly acidic soils and does poorly in dry or warm climates. Engelmann spruce is highly cold-tolerant and can survive temperatures well below freezing, but it is sensitive to drought and prolonged heat, which limits its range to cooler regions. Ecological importance. Engelmann spruce plays a vital role in mountain ecosystems. Its dense forests provide habitat and shelter for wildlife such as birds, squirrels, elk, and snowshoe hares. The tree helps regulate water flow by retaining snowpack and slowing snow melt, reducing erosion, and supporting downstream water supplies. Fallen needles enrich forest soil, while old trees contribute to biodiversity by offering nesting sites and decaying wood for insects and fungi. Economic and practical uses. The wood of Engelmann spruce is light, straight-grained, and relatively soft. It is commonly used for construction lumber, plywood, paper pulp, and musical instrument soundboards due to its excellent resonance properties. Although it is not as strong as some other softwoods, its uniform texture makes it easy to work with, especially in specialized woodworking applications. Threats and conservation. Despite its resilience to cold, Engelmann spruce faces increasing threats from climate change, prolonged droughts, and insect infestations such as spruce beetles. Warmer temperatures allow pests to survive at higher elevations, leading to widespread tree mortality in some regions. Conservation efforts focus on sustainable forest management, monitoring insect outbreaks, and preserving high-elevation habitats to ensure the species' long-term survival.